Hello everyone and welcome to the unboxing of the new Samsung Note 20 Ultra, the 5G version. This is the 512 Mystic Bronze, it says. Yeah, just picked this up from Harrods today. Yeah, and a case as well, but this is the Smart LED View cover. So yeah, let's check it out. So to open this, I guess I can just rip this seal here. It's quite strong actually, so I'll probably have to peel this off. Let's see. Oh God. Should I have brought my... There we go, that's done. Boom. Pretty slick looking. And that's the beautiful phone. Nice, looks really good. Anyway, we keep that aside for now. I'll put I don't want to scratch the camera, it really bulges out. So what I'll do is I'll leave that here and then I'll just quickly open this case and I'll put the phone inside the case right away so that we don't have no scratches and stuff on the lens. So yeah, so that's basically the box of the what's it called, the case. Now, quick start guide, instruction manual, but I can actually lift this and put it in here like so. Fits in quite nice, snug. Quite a big phone though compared to my previous phone, which is the Huawei. Unfortunately, I couldn't wait any longer for a new Porsche design phone, so I thought I'll just go for the best phone in the market, and it happens to be this Note. So anyway, yeah, so the phone's in there. What else do we get? You get one of these super fast, this is an adapter. It's a 0.5, well the output is 3 amps, 15 watts charge. Not sure what this is. Nothing in here, just a box, okay. You get some wire here. This is probably a USB Type-C cable, which I don't need because I've got loads of these, so I'll keep that aside. And there's this AKG, sound by AKG, I don't know if you can see it there. Headphones, USB Type-C earphones, AKG, it doesn't have Samsung on there, and some sort of filters in case you want, size things. And that's about it. Okay, pretty strange because how do you eject? Doesn't it come with an ejecting tool? Okay, this is super weird. Unless that's what's in here. But this looks empty. Yes, it is empty. Okay, Samsung. This is actually very, very weird. Oh, this was stuck on the box here. Well, I guess that's a slight design flaw. So this was, yeah, that's the eject tool. It would have been funny if it had nothing. I must say my dog is busy licking his paws there, so ignore the noise you're probably hearing in the background. But anyway, yes, we get this slip of paper here. You get in a call as usual when doing all these things. You get a warranty card, quick start guide, and nothing else. Waste of paper. Yeah, so that's empty, and the ejecting tool. So that's about it, guys. Yeah. So this is the phone in the LED case. I'm really looking forward to trying this out. It's yeah, it's meant to be a good phone, so we'll see how it goes. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. I will do my best to get back to you. Yeah, that's what it looks like compared to the Huawei, the Porsche design version. Well, you all take care and have a lovely day. Goodbye.